Hello everyone. So now I'm going to discuss example 24c, which is 5x minus 3 over x greater than x plus 2. Question number 1, I'm going to ask, are we allowed to cross multiply the value of x? The answer is no, because x is not a constant, it's a variable. So step number 1, what I'm going to do is to transfer x plus 2 from the right to the left. And we will have 5x minus 3 over x minus x plus 2 greater than 0. Second step, what I'm going to do is to equate the denominator by multiply x. Next, I'm going to expand or to combine the situation. So where we will have 5x minus 3 minus x bracket x plus 2 over x greater than 0. Next, I'm going to expand and then rearrange. 5x minus 3 minus x squared minus 2x over x greater than 0. So finally, we will have negative x squared plus 3x minus 3 over x greater than 0. So now I'm going to transfer to the right so that the coefficient of x squared will become a positive. Next, I'm going to factorize the situation. By using calculator, I notice that it is a complex root or no real root. So what we can do is to completing the square. So x squared minus 3x plus bracket negative 3 over 2 square minus negative 3 over 2 square plus 3 over x less than 0. So now I'm going to further my discussion on the right hand side. So we will have x minus 3 over 2 after we simplify this part. Next, we will have negative 9 over 4 plus 3 over x less than 0. So now I'm going to simplify this part. And we will have x minus 3 over 2 bracket square negative 9 over 4 plus 3, and we will have positive 3 over 4 over x less than 0. So this would be the simplest form. So now we are going to determine the sign. So where it is a negative. Next, we are going to split the situation. X minus 3 over 2 bracket square plus 3 over 4. The next one will be x. Do remember, assume always positive. So we will have greater than 0, but not for this part because it is always positive. So based on the logical thinking, negative x negative 3 over 2 squared, we will have a positive value plus with another positive value. So it will produce a always positive situation. Now I'm going to illustrate the situation in a number line. So now I'm going to locate the value 0. X is greater than 0. So for this part, it will be positive. So now we are going to assign the sign negative since this is a positive number line. So now we have to multiply the sign. Positive, negative, we will have a negative sign, followed by this one will be a positive. In order to determine the sign or the region, so we have to refer to the sign. So it is a negative. So this will be the answer. So finally, we want to express our answer in the interval form. My answer would be negative infinity until 0, where 0 is not included. This is the interval form. If it's in the set notation, for all value of x such that x must be less than 0. So this will be the set notation. So as a conclusion, step number 1, I'm transferring the terms from the right hand side to the left so that the right hand side become 0. Followed by equate the denominator, then expand and simplify, then completing the square, or we can say factorize, then determine the sign, and then assume positive. With the help of number line, finally we can have our answer. So here we are, and thanks for watching.